me why you gotta be complaining all the time, when all I do is love you, acting like I got a chick on the side. Well, let me say, you ain't got no money, you ain't got no job. Why I oughta be home for? Still on my 9 to 5. I'm just saying, oh no no, keep it 100, babe. I'm just saying, keep it 100, babe. I'm just remix.
I call and say I love you, babe. Are you okay? And how was your day? You call with questions. Who is so and so? Those likes and comments on my photos. Here we go again, fighting over the same. Thinking I'm talking to girls, thinking I'm playing the game, thinking I'm running around in a girl that I'm loving with all of my heart. That I'm trying my best to keep her from trying to pardon. I don't try to impress these chicks that I don't even know. My time I invest on loving you, so it shows that I'ma be here, forever be here. So let it be clear that you're my only dear, and I don't need no social media attention. Hashtag I love you, you're my only mention. Your heart's my status, I block the rest. I'll only follow you, my final friend request. Them I delete, you I retweet. Favorite when we speak, trending and repeat. Meet me in the middle, show me that you want it. I'ma keep loving you, so keep it 100. You want Superman, then I need Lois Lane. Maybe a Wonder Woman, I'm just saying.
Don't expect my loyalty when you can't give me honesty, girl. Keep it 100, babe. In this day and age, you'll find a love like mine is hard to find, girl. Keep it 100, babe. You're thinking I'm a cheating, I don't give you no reason to. Checking in on all my tweets, and I don't give you no reason to. But love, 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 don't give me a reason to. I just wanna be with you. No need to shout, without a doubt I'm the one for you, girl. In this world we live in, the truth can always fall into the bait. In this world we live in, honesty is a mistake now. We live and die by the gun. All I need for you to do is keep it 100. No, no, no,
You wonder where that applause, thanks, Mr. Cross. You wonder where that applause is coming from? Just look straight out there.
Here is part of an interview with the subject just before LSD is to be administered.